Abili uchako kweda matek tutuan malupe kiko pala chomo matie kilok ni Olang tungichiel tie make kwanyo ko wiye li.
Opened up a general inquiry file to investigate allegations that were brought in by Kabanda Muhamad that there is a hospital in Old Kampala that when he went for an operation, they instead removed one of his kidney.
Muhamad kabanda matieke mwaka piere we angwen waci ebino awano mi gudi karma en kitinye kitere oyat kinoni tika awano tichogo wiye kakewene kitinye kitere Zambia hospital kama kitimie CT scan ento kigumarach kinone votie wiye mano miro kony mio yoroyot pichan pachiene kinok pachiene kidmakramo wachine kwede eno piramo chulo will oyat mi Zambia hospital kama eno lego nikitere ye I otyat mokene kar ene bene chot kitinye kikeli Old Kampala hospital kama eno chako nong ye yat chot mabene kitimo surgery kadong lachien kitwe wiye ki bandage mineni eno chang ikar ma eno malo waci penyungo ki kome mo timme I lavure makuno bene pe ki awano mo ken kama dakta wajirani ki yao del kome manok tung kupeny mi iye mi kwede del wiye kama kitime ye operation eno waci mano kele kituon luoro matek tutual ma ene chere Malcolm kidong mulago hospital kama kichero kipimo ene iye ento kigumarach maraya uchimo ni Olang acel mitunga cham onope ikume.
We recorded his statement because he brought documents, medical documents from two various hospitals that he alleges he went and did tests in those two hospitals, and all the results were showing that one of the kidney is not visible.
Man bene en wajini tuke kwanye chot merinyo bodla dit lod me mi Kampala Mr. Erias Lukwago mi konye kompero man ikar ma wachere gang otyat man wachui dikal mapigo ngeni wan locho lokangea kun wawar kila pirida pa Muhamad kabanda magen gotero warga maluo lotela mi otyat man mi kemo yo binu kagamo lok matiati malupe kilok mi kwalo Olang pa Muhamad wiye li.
We've served them the demanding notice in respect of our client who alleges that they extracted a kidney without getting his consent. Today we are here, we are claiming and we are demanding that all the Kampala hospital as an institution, as the hospital, they have a mandate to pay our client a sum of Uganda shillings 5 billion for the compensation for the wrongful extraction of his kidney.
Chot gen go chao lek wawa ni pimir wa makchil mo ke ken onyo video.
Anje? Nkwata bantu. Nkwata bantu nga batambula. Nkwata kanso nga atambula. Abantu babafulumye benkwata.
Chiek mo matiati foot pay loboman makem matiati kiket ngoma kiromotimane idjo magibalo balmadon chalo chato dulkum dano ento benwangeyo ni President Yoweri Museveni udong kiketo chie ichira chiel makilwani human traffic and organ body cells kay neno eno karo chalo chik wabineno kid maketiro kwede pero michato nyo kwalo dulkum dano wiye li pilongemo chenye One Luo TV Utiano Martin Pat Robert Larubi.